Ever wondered how your daily essentials come to life? From your morning coffee to your evening unwind, factories are bustling hubs where magic meets machinery. Let's dive into the fascinating world of factory-made wonders. Toothbrushes. Start your day with a clean smile. Factories mold thousands of toothbrushes daily, from bristle creation to handle assembly. Robots and conveyor belts work together to ensure each brush is ready for your teeth. Sneakers. Those comfy kicks on your feet? Factories stitch, glue, and assemble sneakers using precision machines. Automated processes cut, shape, and package them in no time. Bottled water. Quenching your thirst is a factory job. Water is filtered, bottled, and capped at lightning speed, ensuring each sip is fresh and ready to go. Cereal boxes. Your breakfast favorite is crafted with care. Factories blend ingredients, fill boxes, and seal them with bright, eye-catching designs. Smartphones. From silicon chips to sleek screens, factories assemble smartphones with precision. Every component is tested to ensure your device is ready for action. Pens. Factories create pens in all colors and styles. Components like ink cartridges and tips are meticulously assembled, ensuring a smooth writing experience. Socks. Comfort on your feet starts here. Factories knit, dye, and package socks in a variety of styles, ready to keep your toes cozy. Light bulbs. Factories produce bulbs with bright efficiency. They assemble filaments, enclose them in glass, and test for luminosity before they hit the shelves. Toys. From plush bears to action figures, factories create toys with fun in mind. Assembly lines ensure each toy is safe and ready for playtime. Microwaves. Your meal's best friend is crafted in factories where metal, electronics, and buttons come together. Each unit is tested for optimal heating power. Chairs. Factories assemble chairs from frames to cushions. Automated tools ensure every chair is sturdy, comfortable, and ready to support you. Bicycles. Pedal power is produced with precision. Factories weld frames, install gears, and assemble wheels, turning parts into perfect rides. Toilets. Factories mold ceramics, assemble flushing mechanisms, and test for durability. Your bathroom staple is made to last. Backpacks. Factories stitch, strap, and zip backpacks. They ensure each bag is durable and stylish for carrying your essentials. Laptops. Factories build laptops from circuits to screens. Each part is carefully assembled, tested, and packaged for tech enthusiasts. Sunscreen. Factories blend and bottle sunscreen, ensuring each tube offers protection. They mix ingredients and test for quality before it's ready for your skin. Books. Factories print, bind, and package books. Machines handle pages and covers, creating stories for your reading pleasure. Pots and pans. Factories cast, shape, and polish cookware. They ensure each piece is durable and ready to handle your culinary creations. Jeans. Factories cut, stitch, and distress denim. Each pair is crafted to be stylish and comfortable for your everyday wear. Watches. Timepieces are meticulously assembled in factories. Tiny gears and dials are fitted with precision, ensuring you're always on time. Coffee makers. Factories assemble coffee makers with brewing perfection in mind. Parts are tested for functionality to ensure your morning brew is flawless. Blenders. From mixing smoothies to soups, factories assemble blenders with sharp blades and powerful motors. Testing ensures they're ready to blend. Paint. Factories mix pigments and resins to create vibrant colors. They ensure the paint is smooth and ready for your creative projects. Shoes. Factories craft shoes with everything from laces to soles. They combine materials and test each pair for comfort and durability. Curtains. Factories cut, stitch, and hem fabrics to create stylish curtains. They ensure each panel is perfect for your windows. Cell phone cases. Factories mold and decorate cases to protect your devices. They ensure each case fits perfectly and looks great. Refrigerators. Factories assemble refrigerators with cooling technology. They test each unit to ensure it keeps your food fresh. Televisions. Factories produce televisions with high-definition screens. They assemble components and test for clarity and sound quality. Laundry detergent. Factories mix and package detergent to keep your clothes clean. They ensure each bottle delivers effective cleaning power. Tableware. Factories shape, glaze, and package plates and utensils. Each piece is crafted for both function and style. Vacuums. Factories assemble vacuums with powerful suction. They test each unit to ensure it picks up dirt and debris effectively. Wines. Factories bottle and label wines, ensuring each bottle meets quality standards. They manage fermentation and aging for the perfect pour. Shampoo. Factories blend and package shampoo to keep your hair clean and healthy. Each bottle is filled and sealed with care. Clocks. Factories assemble clocks with precise movements. They ensure each one keeps accurate time and looks stylish. Umbrellas. Factories craft umbrellas with sturdy frames and waterproof fabric. They test each one to withstand the elements. Glue. Factories produce glue with strong bonding properties. They mix chemicals and package it for all your fixing needs. Flashlights. Factories assemble flashlights with durable materials and bright bulbs. They ensure each one is ready to light up your path. Blankets. Factories weave, dye, and stitch blankets for warmth and comfort. They ensure each one is soft and cozy. Hair dryers. Factories assemble hair dryers with powerful motors and adjustable settings. They test each one for performance and safety. Batteries. Factories produce batteries with reliable power. They assemble cells and test them to ensure they last. Trash bags. Factories manufacture trash bags with strength and durability. They produce them in various sizes for your waste disposal needs. Pillows. Factories fill and stitch pillows for a good night's sleep. They ensure each one offers the right balance of support and softness. Pet food. Factories blend and package pet food to keep your furry friends happy and healthy. They ensure quality and freshness in every bag. Spices. Factories grind and package spices for flavor. They ensure each jar is filled with aromatic goodness. Tissues. Factories produce tissues with softness and strength. They package them in convenient boxes for everyday use. Towels. Factories weave and dye towels to be absorbent and fluffy. They ensure each one is perfect for drying off. Garden tools. Factories craft garden tools with durable materials. They assemble and test each tool for effective use in your garden. Electric kettles. Factories produce kettles with quick boiling features. They assemble components and test for safety and efficiency. Cameras. Factories assemble cameras with high-resolution lenses. They ensure each one is ready to capture your moments. Notebooks. Factories print, bind, and package notebooks. They create pages and covers for all your writing and note-taking needs. From the start of your day to its end, countless factory-made products make life smoother and more enjoyable. Next time you use one of these items, you'll know a bit more about the factory magic that brought it to you.